If you plan on smelling really good and fresh and clean, oh my God, you've come to the right channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video today. Today I will be sharing with you fragrances that will absolutely make you feel so good and your money would be well spent. Your money would be well spent. Anywho, if this is your first time of seeing me, my name's Adetola, and I am truly grateful that you decided to watch this video today. If you've never seen me here, you probably have seen me on Instagram, and if not, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And your girl's also on TikTok. So if you want to see more of me and the different things I recommend, do not forget to follow me on TikTok as well. I love sharing all things beauty and lifestyle. And let's get into the video today. How about that? First product. The very first fragrance that I will be sharing with you today is a Polo Earth from Ralph Lauren. This fragrance, oh my God, it smells so clean. Let's go ahead and spray just a little bit. Yeah, it's oof. It smells so good. I cannot express how much I love this fragrance. But I've been wearing this, and my husband also. This is another bottle that I actually had to go ahead and purchase because the first time I had it, I was sent in PR and we loved it so much, and then we had to go get another one. You can use this, it's gender friendly and it smells really, really good. I like it. There's just, I can't explain, there's just something about it that, see, I can smell it already lingering around me, and it's not empowering, but it smells clean and really good. You need this. Polo Earth, Ralph Lauren. It's a really good one, and it's one that you would most likely like around this time of the year, especially as the weather is much warmer now. Okay, so moving along, the next one I have for you is Coach Dreams. This is so elegant. Not only does this bottle look so feminine and so chic, it is absolutely beautiful. It smells so good. A little goes a long way. I love using these, especially like during the daytime. Now, the only thing is that I will warn you that it's not a bottle that you pull off. You don't pull this off. There's a little tiny white opening somewhere here. I don't know if you can see it. See, when I'm pointing here, and now I'm going to make it focus so that you can at least see the little white dot there. That's where it's going to squirt out from there. See? Did you see that? Oh, it smells so good. It's long lasting. But another thing that you probably want to learn to do if you were like me that likes using this during the daytime is to layer. We might have another video on talking about how to layer your fragrances to make it last longer. Bottom line is that, you know, you use the same products in the same kind of like note categories, like the body wash you use, the lotion you use, and maybe even your deodorant, and then you end it all with your fragrance of the day. You will be smelling like money. Okay, and I'm one of those girls that really love to receive compliments on the fragrances that I wear. I do not shy away from people telling me that I smell good. We spend money buying these fragrances, so of course, you know, you would love to receive compliments on the fragrances that you wear. I mean, hey, you know. Anywho, so that one, I have a bigger size. I probably will show you in an empties video because I really love it. And again, do not forget that you're not supposed to yank this top off, okay? Unless you're I don't remember if it even has that little thingy on the top to make sure you can, you know, what am I trying to say? You know how you create like travel size perfumes? That's another topic for another day. But bottom line, do not yank this off. All right, you just want to go ahead and press down and spray. So this next one is called Amazing Grace Bergamot, and I absolutely love this fragrance. It's from Philosophy. If you've tried any products from Philosophy, let me know in the comments. I love their products. They're so comforting. And the very first product that I ever tried from them was the Amazing Grace Parfum. Oh my God, it smells so good. This is light. This is much lighter. I will tell you, this is, for me, this is not long lasting. However, it does smell very good. This is one of those fragrances that I like to use maybe in the evening time after a shower. I don't like wearing strong smelling perfumes at nighttime. I don't understand why people do, but whatever rocks your boat. I just like to smell clean. That's why I use fragrances like this at nighttime after a shower. And you will smell yourself after you've used this because it does smell. And a little goes a long way. And yeah, it smells clean. It smells really clean, really clean. That's the best way I can describe it. Alrighty. Now, ha ha ha. This one is one of my very favorites from Lancome. If you've ever used this one, I absolutely love this one. The La Vie Belle. Oh my God, this fragrance is a compliment giver or compliment attract. What's the right word I'm trying to use? I don't know how to describe it. There's no way you would use this and you won't find, if not one, every single person that you come in contact with will definitely ask you, oh my God, can you feel the excitement? Every single person you come in contact with will ask you, excuse me, I'm sorry. Do you mind telling me what you're wearing? That's what this one will do to you. And a little goes a long way. I will tell you that. Very little goes a long way. I cannot tell you how much I love this fragrance. This, oh, oh my God. Mm-mm-mm. So, let's spray on a little. Oh, it smells so good. You need it. That's all I can say. You need it. If you want to smell really good this summer, I'll be honest with you, we're talking about summer, but guess what? I wear this year round, all throughout the year. Summer, spring, fall, winter, it doesn't matter to me personally. I know some people are like, these fragrances have to stay for a particular season. We're talking about, summer fragrances, but I will tell you that this is one that I wear year round, okay? Now, moving on to the next one, I had to save the best for the very last because this one, I have very sentimental values towards this one. And I even left it in the little case so that you could see how important this is to me. Look, it's in the box. And this is the alien goddess from, is it Mugler? Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. It's Mugler. I will always make an attempt to pronounce something. So if I don't get it right, that's okay, but I will always make an attempt because I do not like when people are like, I don't know how to pronounce it. Just anyway, my husband got this for me for Mother's Day, and he did a good job. He actually got me the Lancome perfume as well many years ago, and ever since then it's been a constant in my collection. But this Alien Mugler is a new one for me. I know it came out I think sometime last year, but I will tell you that if you ever want to smell like you're on vacation, like you're somewhere by the beach, you have your feet all tucked in sand, this is a perfume for you. You will love this. You will definitely love this. And the good thing about this one is the one he got me, because I know they have different sizes and different bottles of the same parfum. This is a parfum. Is that this one's actually refillable. So once I'm done with this, I can refill it. I can purchase just the refillable. And I just absolutely love that. And then I can carry this in my purse. Isn't this so sexy? Look at the bottle. So sexy and so elegant. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. Look. Just look at the bottle. So, there you have it. These are all the fragrances that I will be wearing during the summer. If you would like to see another, maybe a part 2 to this, let me know. And do not forget to check out more on my TikTok. I will leave all of my handles at the bottom of the screen somewhere, or somewhere on the side. I'll leave it there. But I cannot wait to see or hear what it is that you guys have to tell me about these fragrances. If you've used any one of them, leave it in the comments which ones you've used. If you have more recommendations that you'd love for me to add to my collection, do not feel shy. I don't bite. I would love to hear from you, okay? It's my channel, but it's your show, and I would love to hear from you. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell as well so that you will never miss a video from me. On this channel, we love to look, feel, and smell good. I'll see you next time, and until then, you take care of yourself, and thank you for watching.